He lived in a graveyard, screaming through the night. No one could control him. But Jesus didn't turn away, he walked toward him. There was a man who lived where the dead were buried. Not in a house, not in a village, in tombs, among bones and silence. People feared him, but not because he was evil. They feared him because he was broken. He screamed day and night. He cut himself with sharp stones. He tore off the chains people tried to bind him with. Not from strength, but from torment. No one wanted to go near that place. His body was a map of scars. His soul, a battlefield. And the town had given up on him. He had no name anymore. Just pain. Then, Jesus came. He crossed a storm just to reach the other side, where this man was. And when Jesus stepped ashore, the man came running. Not to fight, but to fall at his feet. A voice from within cried out, "What do you want with me, Jesus, Son of the Most High God? Don't torment me." But Jesus wasn't afraid. He looked through the madness and saw the soul that was still crying out for help. Jesus asked, "What is your name?" The voice answered, "Legion, for we are many, thousands of evil spirits, but only one Savior." With a single command, Jesus cast the darkness out of him. The demons fled into a herd of pigs. And the man, he was free. People came and saw him, sitting calmly, fully clothed, and in his right mind. The same man who had terrified everyone was now whole. This story is not about a monster. It's about a man the world forgot, but God remembered. When others feared him, Jesus walked toward him. He didn't just silence the demons. He restored his soul. And if Jesus can do that for him, he can do that for you. No darkness is too deep. No past is too painful. No one is too far gone. If you want to hear more true, powerful stories from the Bible, stories that touch your heart and feed your soul, then don't forget to subscribe to Inner Bloom.